Hey guys, Leslie here with some stickers from Plannersisterstickers. I got these a while ago, but I have yet to haul them. I actually have, I think, a whole nother pack to haul now as well. So I need to do that at some point. But I will get there. So first up is this Disney kit. It's kind of a Disney wintry Christmas kit. It's called, let me see here, Christmas Magic 1A. Christmas Magic. Okay. So here's her going into Pixar Pier, and then you have like all of the castle, and then I thought it was kind of Christmassy because there's like a snowflake here, and then they're holding mistletoe. So if you're like, where is it Christmassy? Which some people do spend Christmas at Disneyland. So there's like wreaths and garland, and then there's also like trees here. So I see that. I see it. That looks good, I think. Okay, and then we have the date dots, checklist, functionals, and then there's the full box checklist. And then there is the bottom washi, which has the winter Christmas castle on it as well. See if we can focus. There you go. Okay, and then we have our headers, and we have the deco. Lots of deco. They're very tiny, but there's lots of them. I like the cupcakes. Maybe I'll make a Disney cupcake. Is that a thing? All right, and then we have the girls headed into the castle area with their ears on and everything adorable. The date covers, I would definitely use in my Happy Planner and not stick the date dots on them because they have cute little Mickey or Minnie Mouse cupcakes. I just saw the bow. All right, and then next up I have like a blue Christmas kit. I like to do a blue Christmas. Kind of reminds me of my childhood. My parents would do blue Christmas lights on my house. So here's two girls. One's holding a ton of presents and one's holding a tree. And then you have like the winter forest, and then the girls standing there. They have presents behind them and they're holding coffee or cocoa. And then there's a blue Christmas tree. You've got a snowman, the blue candle, blue cup with like whipped cream in it, and then a bunch of presents. And then here's the functionals checklist, full box checklist. The bottom washi is really cool. It's that like evergreen Christmas tree looking print on there, but it's all blue. And then they did silver, which usually they do gold on everything, so that's different. This one is called Blue Christmas. So there's the headers and half boxes. Here's the deco. Once again, they went a little tiny with it, which I like because I can squeeze it into like my half boxes. So that's fun. A really cool double full box that's extra long with the Christmas tree. And then here's your glitter headers. And then they went with the evergreen kind of background on the date covers as well. I would definitely put the dots on this one. All right, next up is a Thanksgiving kit. I know. Thanksgiving's like next week, and I'm just now unboxing this. I'm sorry. Okay, so this one is probably called Thanksgiving. Nope, Thankful. Okay, so you have a Thankful pillow. You have a kitchen that looks ready. It looks too clean. I'm kidding. And then a Thankful wreath, and then you have a dining room table. Sweet apple pie candle. I can totally get behind that. A little coffee mug that says always give thanks. And then a refrigerator full of food. And then there's like the turkey and tea and stuff. And then she's got like a little pumpkin in her cocoa. Hope you can see that. And then there's like a stack of pumpkins and some leaves in a vase. So that's really fun. I like that. I love the dog on this one. Like, what are you doing? This little cockeyed face. Okay. Cocked face, not a cockeyed face. There you go. All right, here's full box checklist. Bottom washi is kind of like a geometric pattern with glitter. I like it. And then you have your headers and full box, or headers and half boxes. And then here's the deco. I like this size. This is like not too big, not too small. Is that like a rice cooker or a pressure cooker? Pressure cooker. I was trying to decide. Ooh, a slice of pie. That'd be me. All right, we have the dining room table fully set. There's like purses or Christmas bags. That's funny. And then this light, I've actually seen in some houses when we were touring houses. Not recently, like a year ago. All right, here's the date covers. I wouldn't cover that. It's a pretty little flower. All right, next up we have is a fall bucket list one. It looks like this one almost looks Halloweenish to me, but it's not. I don't know. Start each day with a grateful heart, but it looks like, doesn't it look like the Grateful Dead font, I think? All right, there's some hands and moons and like a spell book, and then it has fall bucket list on it. Some animal print glasses and a notebook, a checkbook and a pen. The girls right here are things to do. And then there's another notebook and then some more of those suns. And then, I don't know, some pumpkin donuts. Something like that. This one is called Grateful as well. That's probably not called Grateful because the other one was. They probably didn't change it. All right, here's the checklist and little functionals. Full box checklist. Love the orange and the brown right here. It's like orangey brown on this one. This one's a little bit more yellow. Bottom washi is really interesting. It looks like it's glowing. And then we have our headers and half boxes. Here's the deco. We have acorns added as well compared to like what was in the full boxes. I didn't notice acorns. And then the full box extension is like the bottom washi. And then right here you have your date covers. They put the glasses on it. That's what those are. All right, then we have, a monthly kit. That's new for me. All right, this one's very floral. And it says notes. It doesn't have the month on it, so I think you get to pick your own. It might be, it's kind of Disney themed. It has a Disney Day sticker, which is fun. And then it's got the date dots and payday. So I guess you can just put your own month on it. That's cool. All right, and then, this one's fun. It's like a school sheet. It's got study, exam, some pencil checklists, which are cute. All right, this one I love so much. I love pumpkins. All right, here's the full box extra stickers. And then this one is called Sweet Pumpkin. That fits. But I really like the colors and the leaves and the pumpkins. I don't like birds, but that is a pretty bird. All right, some functionals and then checklists. And then look at the yellow. I love maroon for fall. I do. The bottom washi is gorgeous. Love it. The gold goes really well there. And then you have your headers and half boxes. And then look at this deco. You could do like checklists if you wanted out of all these pumpkins and leaves. All right, and then here's the double full box. It kind of reminds me of like if you had like fall wallpaper like on your house. It's kind of funny. All right, and then here's the date covers. It has the pumpkin and the bird and the leaves. All right, and then the next up is an Alice in Wonderland kit. So here's the extra box here. And then there's a cupcake that says Eat Me. The little clock from the rabbit, and then the little hat and her dress and some flowers because they like sing and dance and stuff. This one is called Magical Land. So it has playing cards. All right, so then here is the checklist. I love the colors. Very Alice in Wonderland colors. Love that. Bottom washi is amazing. I don't know if you guys can see it. Very detailed. And then there's the headers and half boxes. And then here's your deco. Adorable. And like washi chunks. And then this is extra like washi, or it's a long full box basically, but you could cut it up and fit it wherever you want. And then they went ahead and did the same pattern for the background of the date covers. So that is it. That's my haul. Sorry it's so short. I just really wanted to get this done because I've had the thumbnail done for this for a while. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've been mixing up my thumbnails because some were already way pre-done by my husband, and then I've been trying to do them a little bit more on my own because of his computer issues and just time and stuff like that. So there's a little mix of like me making them from Canva. Actually, I don't know if you guys have ever tried that, but I made some from Canva, and then I have some that like he already made. So this one probably has one of those. So I don't know if you guys have noticed the transition. Also, I'm pretty sure we changed the banner on my Etsy store, and then I went to it today and it still looked beachy. And I was like, I remember us changing this. So that's weird. So I quickly made a fall one, and then I was like, dude, why'd you do that? You should have just made a Christmas one. So I'm probably going to change it again soon. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm flipping through and reorganizing. Because obviously I want to try to use the Thanksgiving one. We'll see if I have room in my Happy Planner. I think I already have a Thanksgiving kit picked out for my Erin Condren because it's literally like next week. So, but love the Blue Christmas. They do have more Christmas kits coming out. I think they might have mailed me some. So I'll try to get another haul video up soon. Maybe the week of Black Friday, definitely. That's how I found this shop, was their Black Friday sale. So, but they have really good prices. You guys know it's like $6 or $7 a kit. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you mention Leslie at Plannersisterstickers or Runwithcraftscissors. I don't know if there's an extra freebie, but they definitely send me a lot of stickers when you guys order. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!